Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix NotebookLM error, sharing notebook. If you're running into a sharing error in NotebookLM, this usually comes down to access settings or an incorrect email entry. The good news is that this is often quick to fix, and in this walkthrough we'll go through the process clearly so you can share your notebook successfully. Start by going to NotebookLM in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use multiple Google accounts. Using the wrong account can sometimes cause confusion when trying to access or share notebooks, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm that you're in the right place before moving on. Next, click on the notebook that you want to share. This will open the specific notebook where the sharing issue is happening. Make sure you've selected the correct notebook, since changes to sharing settings only apply to the one you currently have open. When the notebook is open, look to the upper right part of your screen and click the Share button. This is where NotebookLM lets you manage who can access the notebook and how they can open it. If you've been getting an error, this is the area where the fix usually happens. After opening the sharing panel, change the notebook's access setting from restricted to anyone with the link or public, depending on what option best matches how you want to share it. Restricted access can prevent other people from opening the notebook unless they've been specifically granted permission, so adjusting this setting can resolve common sharing problems. Be careful when choosing public, since that may allow broader access than intended. If you only want to share with specific people but still avoid link-related issues, anyone with the link may be the better option. Finally, enter the correct email address of the person you are sharing the notebook with. This part is important because even a small typo can cause the share to fail or send access to the wrong person. Double-check the email before confirming the share. If the person still can't access the notebook, it's often helpful to verify that they're signed into the account connected to that same email address. Once these settings are updated, the sharing error should be resolved in many cases. If needed, you can repeat the process and review each setting carefully. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you share your NotebookLM notebook without any issues.